Okay. At dito sa kanyang affidavit, sinasabi niya dito, noong July 3 to 4, nag-courtesy call siya sa CCPO. Ikaw yon. And July 5, 2018, nag-issue ng order para dalhin siya doon sa traffic patrol group. Na-sign mo. So, kailan mo siya nakausap?
So, most likely, Mr. Chair, after the turnover po ng command, when I assumed as city director, so most likely that's before July 5 when the order was issued to him as in charge of the assigned sa traffic group.
At doon mo siya nakausap about doon sa pagiging boastful niya sa nangyari kay Halili?
Yes, Mr. Chair, kasi may PDS po kasi yan na pinakita sa akin. So nakikita ko yung kung saan ang mga assignment. So nagtanong ako saan siya galing. So very comfortable naman po siya na nagkwento na galing siya sa Region 4A at nakwento po niya sa akin yung operation.
At yun ang sinabi niya?
Yes, Mayor Halili.
Anong pagkakasabi niya,
That
GM?
he is part of the said operation. Hindi naman niya sinabi siya ang bumaril or something, but the fact na sinabi niya he is part, I assume na merong
Kinalaman?
trabaho. Yes, sir. And mga ganyan kasing trabaho, compartmentalize po yung work. So, hindi na rin po ako masyadong nagtanong. Asang alam ko lang, nakwento niya, sharpshooter po yung bumaril.
So, Captain Albotra, do you confirm that nagkaroon kayo ng usapan sa kanyang opisina?
Sigurado nag-usap kayo, Mr. Chair, kasi ako po ay nagko-courtesy call, but never did I remember saying something, anything like that, Mr. Chair.
Captain Albotra, remember, you are under oath.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
At kung sakasakali na may kinalaman ka at involved ka sa grupong ito, aminin mo na. Kasi darating ang panahon, hahabulin ka ng pagkakataon, maniwala ka sa amin. Marami na kami napatunayan sa kongresong ito. Marami na kaming napatunayan noong paman. Hahabulin ka namin kung talagang involved ka. Maniwala ka sa amin.
Can I say something, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead.
Mr. Chair, my conscience is very clear. I have not involved in any way to the killing of Mayor Halili, Mr. Chair.
Follow-up lang to kay Captain Albutra. You mentioned about two police personnel that you brought to Calamba. Sino ngayong dalawa?
Mr. Chair, PO3 Eugene Calumba and
PO3,
Eugene Calumba, Mr.
Eugene
Chair.
Calumban,
And is PO2, Melgin Bulandres, Mr. Chair.
is PO2,
Melgin Bulandres po, Mr. Chair.
Bulandres.
Yes,
Active
Mr.
pa ba sila sa duty ngayon?
Si Eugene Calumba po, Mr. Chair, ay namatay na po siya, Mr. Chair.
Namatay.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
What cause of his death?
Siya po ay namatay, Mr. Chair, sa Cebu City, Mr. Chair.
Cause, ang tinatanong ko, ano yung
Nabaril po siya, Mr. Chair.
binaril?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Kailan yon?
Hindi ko na po maalala, Mr. Chair, yung date, Mr. Chair.
Hindi mo na malaman? Sige nga. Yung Bulandres,
After po nung namatay po si Eugene, Mr. Chair, mga ilang araw po, nagpa-relieve na rin po siya, Mr. Chair. Hindi ko na po alam kung saan siya, Mr. Chair.
nabaril din yung Bulandres.
Na-relieve po, Mr. Chair. Na-relieve po siya, Mr. Chair. After
Na-relieve?
Na-relieve po, Mr. Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair.
When was that?
2018, Mr. Chair.
20?
Sometime on 2018 po, Mr. Chair.
2018.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Pagbalik niyo sa Cebu, anong assignment niya?
Sa Police Station 1, Mr. Chair.
Under sa'yo.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
So, nung nabaril yung a certain Kalumba? Kalumba ba yon?
Eugene Calumba, Mr. Chair.
Oh, nung nabaril yung Kalumba, anong assignment niya?
Siya po ay Station 1, Mr. Chair.
Sa'yo.
Under sa akin, pero
Under sa'yo.
may... Siya po,
Sandali, tinatanong kita, under sa'yo. Yes or no?
siya po ay assigned sa Unit 2, Mr. Chair, pero operationally under control po siya ng...
Dahan-dahan lang po, hindi ko maintindihan. Ano, please?
Si Eugene Calumba, Mr. Chair, ay assigned sa Police Station 1, Mr. Chair.
Under sa'yo.
Yes, Mr. Chair, pero siya po ay operationally controlled by Ma'am Garma, Mr. Chair, that time.
Under sa'yo, pero operationally controlled by Colonel Garma?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Wala. Mr. Chairman, wala na si Colonel Garma? Chairman? Wala na si Colonel Garma. So, that was 2018 also?
Opo, Mr.
O
Chair.
kanina tinatanong kita, ba't hindi mo matandaan kung kailan siya na-assign at saka namatay?
Yung exact date po ang hindi ko matandaan, Mr. Chair.
Huwag kang mag-abogado dito.
Sorry po, Mr. Chair.
Nung tinanong kita kanina, sabi mo, hindi mo na matandaan.
I'm referring po sa exact date po, Mr. Chair.
Hindi ko naman tinanong yung exact date eh. Well, in fact, kung hindi kita tinanong kung saan siya nakasign, hindi mo sinabi na under your station 1. Yung Bulandres.
During the time, Mr. Chair, nung nangyari po yun kay Eugene
Sandali, tapusin mo na. After nung Calamba, saan siya na-assign?
sa Cebu City rin po, Mr. Chair, Police Station 1, Mr. Chair.
Station 1 din, sa'yo din, di ba?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
From Calamba, binitbit mo pabalik sa Cebu.
Nung nullified po yung order namin, Mr. Chair.
Kaya nga,
Opo, Mr.
bitbit mo. O tapos,
Tapos nag-courtesy call po kami kay Ma'am Garma.
hindi ko tinatanong yung courtesy call. Ang tinatanong ko yung assignment ng Bulandres. So namatay yung Calamba under your watch sa station mo. Tapos anong nangyari kay Bulandres?
Na-relieve na rin po siya, Mr. Chair.
Why?
Hindi ko po alam, Mr. Chair, na...
Station 1 commander ka, hindi mo alam na nirelieve siya? You're lying.
Hindi ko po maalala, Mr. Chair, kung bakit
Nako,
siya na-relieve.
huwag tayo maglokohan dito ha. Bata mo yung dalawa, bit-bit mo pa Calamba, at then bumalik ka sa Cebu, tapos mo hindi mo alam. Why they were relieved?
Ang alam ko po, Mr. Chair, na-assign, bumalik po siya sa Negros, Mr. Chair.
Ang tanong nga, bakit siya nirelieve?
I have no idea, Mr.
Saan siya
Chair.
inassign? Sa Negros Oriental.
No idea po, Mr. Chair. Kung
Mr. Chairman, itong si Albutra, kanina pa to eh. Napakasinungaling to, kung hindi mo makorner, hindi sasagot ng tama. Ngayon, bata mo yung dalawa, tapos hindi mo alam. Yung investigation with regards to the death of Calumba, ba't siya pinatay? Hindi mo rin alam.
Mr. Chair, during that time po, siya po ay...
Hindi, tanong ko, anong motive?
Ang kwento po nun, Mr. Chair,
Anong motive? Pulis ka, hindi mo alam? Bata mo, hindi mo alam? Hindi mo man chinek kung anong motive?
I have no direct idea talaga, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, now I move to cite in contempt Captain Albutra for lying in this committee in violation of Section 11, Paragraph C of our rules. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Second
There is a
motion.
motion to cite in contempt Major Albotra for violating Section 11, Paragraph C of the Rules of Procedure governing inquiries in aid of legislation. And it was duly seconded. Are there any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Comsec, please take note that Major Albotra is now cited in contempt by the Quad Committee.
Chairman,
Please proceed.
Just a rejoinder. Alam mo, Captain Albutra, I have warned you kanina pa. Hindi ko pa mabuo yung story. Dahil taga Cebu ka eh. Pero you were assigned to Dumaguete, kaya mapacheck ko rin yung record mo. Pati yung dalawa mong tao. Nagsisinungaling ka eh. babalikan ko pa rin yung Kalamba on the next hearing. Eh kung hindi kita makorne, alam mo, akala mo dito hindi kami nag-imbestiga. Akala mo dito hindi namin alam kung paano kukunin yung mga information. Oh, you are not shouted in contempt. I will not ask you anymore. In the next hearing, you better cooperate. Next, Mr. Chairman, doon na muna ako kay Captain Albutra. Ang dami pa akong alam sa iyo. May sunod-sunod pa. In the next hearing, magkakaalaman tayo. Mr. Chairman, I would just like to ask, no? Kasi napag-usapan na rin yung Albutra.
Second motion.
Mr. Chairman, since Chairman Ako is not around, I will move to detain Captain Albutra in the premises of the House until the committee report will be adopted in the plenary. So move, Mr. Chairman.
There is a motion, as stated, duly seconded. Hearing no objection, the motion is approved.
Mr. Chairman.
Major
Mr. Chair.
Albotra is now cited in contempt and to be detained in the premises of the House of Representatives until the duration and termination of the committee hearing of the Quadcom and until the committee report is approved and adopted in the plenary.
Mr. Chair.
Okay.